Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about 5 ways you can keep your body hydrated. It is very important to your health because 60% of your body weight is made up of water, and your body needs water for blood circulation. It also needs water for digestion of food, removal of toxins. So, number 1 way is for you to drink a lot of water. In a day, you need at least 2 liters of water, or you can have 8 glasses of water. Number 2 is you can take fruits that are high in water content, which is cucumber and watermelon. They can also help you with maintaining your body hydration. Then number 3 is you need to reduce the intake of alcohol. If you're someone that takes a lot, you need to cut it down. Also, if you take coffee, you need to drink water after that because coffee contains caffeine. Number 4 is you need to get a reusable water can like this. So with this, you can keep track of the amount of water you've taken in a day. Another way is by you setting a reminder. That will actually help you because it will remind you that it is time for you to drink water. There are other ways which you might experience them, like when your mouth is dry, it is a sign that you need to drink water. Another one is when you use the restroom and your urine color is dark yellow. It's also a sign for you to drink water. When you also feel dizzy or having headache, it's reminding you that it is time to drink water. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it educating, and please subscribe, like, comment down below if you have any question or any challenges on how to maintain your body hydration at least in a day. I will get back to you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.